Assalamualaikum guys, today is our 7th lecture of our course Statistical Data Analysis by using the RStudio. In our last lecture, we have discussed how we can perform the correlation analysis by using the psych function. And in our previous lecture, I explained in detail there are two functions that are used to perform the correlation analysis in RStudio. First one was psych and the second is corrplot. We have learned how we can perform the correlation analysis by using the psych function. Now we will learn how we can perform the correlation analysis by using the corrplot function. First of all guys, we will import our dataset. I have already imported my dataset. I have teach you in last lectures how we can import our dataset, and I have also shared files for a file dataset in my WhatsApp group as well as in my YouTube channel comment section. And first of all, we will see that either we have corrplot function or not. I already have corrplot package in my RStudio. If your RStudio is new, you can also install corrplot function by install option. Here you will write down name of package and you can install guys. So to perform the analysis, I have already explained. Firstly, we always activate our package, main library or package. So I will also library my package, that is corrplot. So guys, I have activated my package, and the second step is script writing. And in the script writing, the first step is always to write down the name of the function, and our function is core. Core is our function, and the second step we will write down the name of the data, and the data name is ficus. And I have already discussed in detail that to perform the correlation analysis, our dataset must be in the numerical form. But in our ficus data, the fifth row is not numerical, it is a character. So we will remove it by adding square bracket and -5. And now I will run the script. Here we have get our correlation table. So this is guys how we can perform correlation analysis by using the corrplot package. So now guys, we know that script is very long, so all the time we will have to write a script. No guys, we can also write our script into short form, like as we have write a is equal to a plus b c, x is equal to y z z z. So same we can also compare our script to a number, and our number will be a script. How? For example, I write down that our c core is equal to, I write down here, for example, in hashtag c is equal to core ficus. Okay guys, core ficus. Same I can also, I will write whole script is equal to c. How? And second thing guys, in RStudio, equal is equal to, if we write down the equal, it will be write in this way. We will write down less than and minus. Less than minus will be equal to is called equal in RStudio. So here I will write down that, less than minus, and now I will run it. I will run the script. So here guys, again I get this table. Now again I get this the table. Now c is equal to core plus minus ficus, corrplot ficus minus 5. Now if I only write down c and run it, we will again get our correlation table. It indicates that now our complete script core ficus minus 5 is equal to c. Now guys, we will learn how we can make the graph by using the corrplot function. So now I will write down the corrplot, and simply I will write down the c, because I have explained now our script is equal to c. I will run it. Now I have get the plot. This is correlation plot. Okay guys, now if my teacher said I want numbers here instead of circles, so what I will do, in the bracket I will add comma and will add method is equal to inverted commas, and here I will write down the number and run it. So now here I have get numbers instead of circles. Now my supervisor said I need square graph. Simple, I will write down here square and will run it. Now I have get squared graph. My supervisor said that I want colored graph. I will write down here simple word color. You have to only change name. Here you will get graph in colored. So this is how guys we can perform the correlation analysis by using the RStudio. So guys, must subscribe my channel Statisticians, because in our channel I will also uploaded others lectures like Stata, eViews, SSS, research writing, and I have already uploaded tutorials on Facebook ad, Google ad, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn tutorials. So guys, must subscribe my channel, and after learning RStudio you can also give freelance services. Thank you so much.